Wait, did I just... Oh, no. No. Did I just actually delete the files I actually needed? Oh boy. Okay. Well, thankfully, Tenorshare sponsored this video so I can show you their 4DDIG software and how to recover files that could have been lost just like this. So let's get into it, shall we? So the way you recover your files this way is actually very simple. Just go to the 4DDIG website to download the free version of the software. There are also paid versions with more features, including a lifetime license one. Then you simply install it once it's downloaded and you arrive at this interface. From here you can do several different things, including photo and video repair. So if you've ever opened a photo or video that you spent a lot of time on and you thought it's going to be great, only for it to get corrupted and end up looking more like this, well, don't worry, because this software has a solution for that as well. They will just focus on the file recovery for now. First thing you want to do is just select the drive that the files were removed from. In this case, it's this external USB SSD I have right here. And once you're there, you can also select what kind of files in particular you want to look for. So in my case, I mainly lost some photos, so I'm just gonna select that. Now we're in this menu right here. After completing a short fast scan, it will then start automatically doing a deep scan, which as you can see can take a bit longer, but it digs deep and finds any scraps of a file it can. But let's see exactly what it managed with just a quick scan. I'm gonna go into the deleted files folder. As you can see, all my previous projects are here, and as you can see, it can find stuff that has gone a long way back. Stuff like my Volterra video that was released ages ago, or my EU USB-C video as well. Anyway, here is the S55U folder I've been looking for, and as you can see, all the files are actually here. You can tell which files have been fully found and which haven't just by looking at the size. For example, these two are 0 bytes, so if we click preview, there we go, nothing's showing up. But if we go with something that has actual, an actual size with it, we can preview it and we can get something. There we go, there's the image. So once I confirm I have all the files I need, I just select them all, and then I go here to recover. Now here I can select where exactly I want to save these files, but remember, do not save onto the drive or partition where you're getting these files from. So in my case, I cannot save onto the Samsung T5 because that's where I'm restoring the data from. So let's just save them on my work folder here on my C drive. I can just create a new folder that's called, say, recovery, and boom, there we go. I'm now in the file. I can go here and hopefully, yep, there are my files. So there it is, the step-by-step on how to recover your files using 4DDIG. And once again, if you want to get this software, a link to it is going to be down in the video description below. And if you use the code that's on the screen right now, you're going to get 30% off. So definitely go and check it out. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, hey, let me know down in the comments below. And as always, I'd also love to thank my patrons who've been supporting this channel so far. Gavin Burns, Ryan, LKB, Meg Sumner, Shane Allcroft, Lansby, and Jesse Herdman. Thank you guys so much. Support truly goes a long way. And if you want to support the channel on Patreon, the link to it is going to be down in the video description below. Down here is going to find our merch store, our Discord server, and our social media links as well. But anyway, that's about it, so I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, remember, subscribe, like, whatever, and I'll see you all in whatever I make next. Goodbye everyone. Goodbye.